Today, I'm making edible chestnuts for the very first time. For some of you, this might be nothing out of the ordinary. But for me, it's uncharted territory. In Poland, chestnuts are usually a sign that winter is on its way. They're mostly used to decorate homes or as little toys for children to play with. Well, there's a first time for everything. After giving the chestnuts a good rinse, I take a sharp knife and make a clean cut right across the middle. This helps them peel more easily later, and more importantly, keeps them from exploding during the cooking process. Then, into the pot they go. I cover them with cold water, add a generous pinch of salt, set them on the stove, and bring the water to a boil. Once it's bubbling away, I lower the heat and let them simmer gently for 20 minutes. Next, I transfer the chestnuts onto a baking tray, making sure the slits are facing upwards. Into a preheated oven at 220 degrees Celsius, about 430 degrees Fahrenheit. They go for another 20 minutes of roasting until their skins curl back and the kitchen smells wonderfully nutty and warm. When they're done, I take them out and let them cool for about 10 minutes. Apparently, they taste best when they're still warm. And I must say, there's definitely something to that. After my first bite, I discover they're sweet, soft, and quite unique. But if I'm honest, I don't think I'll become their biggest fan. That's it for today, folks. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.